Australia's dairy industry is modernising. Producers and processors are embracing new opportunities as global demand grows for wholesome, healthy and nutritious dairy products.
While per capita consumption of milk product is rising, our share of global trade has declined from 16% to 6% over the past 30 years. With fewer larger dairy farms, productivity and profitability is increasingly dependent on the way our industry uses technology, information and data.
The industry is eager to understand what role technologies like blockchain and smart contracts might play for the future of Australian dairy. How we capture, share and use information through our dairy supply chains is one of many challenges for producers, processors, consumers and regulators. In an increasingly digitally connected world, data about milk production, milk quality and consumption is a powerful force shaping the way the industry and markets operate. In 2018, the ACCC found there was a power imbalance between farmers and processors. This power imbalance, along with uncertain world market prices, supermarket milk discounting and falling processor margins, has impacted farm gate pricing. To ensure a bright future for Australian dairy farmers, industry is working together to meet growing demand for high-quality, nutritious dairy products enjoyed by families all around the world.
National industry reform is helping to secure a prosperous future for the industry. Initiatives like a mandatory code of practice, standard industry contracts and milk trading platforms are helping resolve the imbalance of bargaining power. Industry is embracing new ways of capturing and sharing information through the supply chain to drive productivity and meet the demands of customers in Australia and abroad. This includes information about how milk has been produced, its provenance, who has been involved in the process, and how costs and margins have been shared. But how can we be sure that the information we capture and share through dairy supply chains is accurate and true?
Blockchain or distributed ledger technology may provide part of the answer. Blockchain is a secure way of capturing and sharing information about supply chain events. Information such as when and where milk was produced, the quality, and who transported or processed the product.
When farmers and processors have standard agreements, terms like minimum quality and payments can be automated on the ledger by using smart contracts. Smart contracts simply automate an action when conditions are satisfied. When integrated with automated data capture devices and banking systems, smart contracts could automatically identify when delivery conditions are satisfied and initiate funds transfer in real time. Both the farmer and the processor can see this instantly. Not everyone has permission to see information on the ledgers, and nobody can change the information linked to each ledger.
Farmers and processors will benefit directly from improved data accuracy, reducing the need for costly data interrogation and reliance on third parties. Increased consistency of transactions and data will help improve supply chain performance and enhance quality of supply. Transparency of movements will assist in reducing the threat of fraudulent product entering the supply chain, protecting both farmers and processors. Transporters, banks, insurance and trade finance agencies may also improve offerings and options for everyone in the dairy supply chain.
Australia's global competitiveness is dependent on how different parts of the supply chain work together, capturing, sharing and using information for mutual benefit. Industry reform, global data standards and new information management systems like blockchain and smart contracts are making this possible. Industry is working together, helping producers, processors, customers and regulators access the information they need to keep providing consumers with high-quality Australian dairy produce, securing a stronger future for Australian dairy farmers.